Okay, it's Sunday morning. Not exactly doing what I want to do, so we're heading over to a shop to finish up a job. We were tasked with cleaning 2 booths, and we got one done. We should have got both of them done yesterday, but there were some things with the second one I didn't feel comfortable putting high pressure water in and cleaning, and I'm going to go back there today and finish that up, so that way we can go back and take a look about finished cleaning them next weekend or sometime through the week. These booths are around 5 years old, and there's some structural things